Hi, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your WordPress theme for blazing fast speed using completely free tools. These proven techniques will dramatically improve your page load times and core Web Vitals scores. Before we start, you'll need WordPress admin access, hosting control panel access, and a recent site backup. First, choose a speed-optimized theme. Top performers in 2025 are Astra at 48 kilobytes, Neve at 28 kilobytes, and GeneratePress at 50 kilobytes. These achieve sub-2-second load times. Next, install free optimization plugins. Go to Plugins, Add New, search Autoptimize, and install it. Then install W3 Total Cache for caching. Now configure Auto-Optimize. Go to Settings, Auto-Optimize. Check Optimize JavaScript code, Optimize CSS code, and remove Google fonts. These reduce file sizes by 20 to 30%. Configure W3 Total Cache. Go to Performance, General Settings. Enable Page Cache, Minify, and Browser Cache. Click Save All Settings. For images, install the free Smush plugin. Click Bulk Smush now to optimize existing images. Enable Lazy Load Images in Settings. Install WebP Converter for media and click Start Conversion. WebP images are 25% smaller than JPEGs. Finally, install WP Optimize for database cleaning. Remove spam comments and post revisions. Let's verify results. Test with gtmetrics.com for grades A or B. Use Google PageSpeed Insights, aiming for scores above 85. Focus on core Web Vitals. Test with Pingdom tools, targeting under 1 megabyte page size. These free optimizations improve page speed by 40 to 60% and boost search rankings. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.